Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now, if you're looking for a great pair of Levi jeans, I highly recommend these black ones that are the 511s. As you can tell on the tag, they're very iconic looking. It's got the white lettering with the black tag and the red label for Levi's, which is really cool. So it really stands out, especially when you're dressed up in all black. It just tends to pop out. The pants themselves are extremely comfortable. They have a stretch to it, which is really nice. So if you're outside in the patio working or walking all day long, they're extremely comfortable to wear. They don't feel heavy, they feel light, and they're very breathable. So I absolutely love this pair of jeans. And the dark color is fantastic. It goes with everything. So if you're looking for a great pair of 511s, highly recommend these. And that's my point of view.